Right, people, let's have a look at how to swap USDT for USDC BEP20. So first of all, I just swap some BNB now just to show you how to do it. So first of all, you need to add USDC. What you will need, remember, it's on the BEP20 network, not any other network, right? So you press on manage coins, and then those are the two ones that you already have, USDT BEP20 and BNB BEP20. The main factor here, or the main coin here, is BNB BEP20 because you need that for transaction fees or gas fees. So you'll press at the top, after you pressed on manage coins, you'll press at the top and you will search the USDC. And then you'll get a lot of different USDCs. You see there's a lot of different ones. Make sure that you add the BEP20 one. It's also has a yellow icon on the logo. And you press that button, add it, then you go back and you will see it has been added. Go back again. Right, so now you press on USDT, the value that you have, because that is what you want to swap for USDC now. And you will press on swap here at the top. Now you need to change these on the arrows in the middle. Put USDC at the top because you want to receive USDC. I mean USDT must be at the top, and you're going to press max. You can see there's a very little difference. That is 10.489 and you will receive 10.467. And then you're just going to press, you must have BNB in the wallet itself. Right, so there is gas fees at the moment, more than enough. And then you're just going to press swap and you're going to confirm the transaction. And confirm. Right, so let's see how long it takes. Sometimes it's very fast, sometimes it takes a little bit longer. It depends on the network activity. If it does like that, just confirm until you get the next screen that shows you it is converting. This is what you want to see. Alright, there we go. It's already converted. Now just go back again, and you will refresh. Right, so we had $12, we got 11.99 now. So there's a little bit that you need to pay. It's almost nothing to convert it to USDC. Right, and that is it. Please do not panic. USDT is not going anywhere. Do not make up any rumors or things that is not true. USDT will be here for a very long time. The only reason is that in the European countries, USDT is not available to use since last year. Alright, and then they are using USDC. It's just to make it accessible for more members to join crypto fortune protocol. Right, thank you very much. Have a nice day. Bye bye.